guys, today I'm going to talk to you guys about my new training that just came out. I guess it's been a couple of months now, just barely a couple of months. We kind of did a slow release of this training, so we only let people who were on our bootcamp list and some of our email lists and some of our Instagram list hear about it. So now it's like more official. I'm telling about it to you now, so maybe you've even heard it on some of our pre-roll on the podcast. So hopefully you've already heard about it, but maybe you haven't jumped in and grabbed it yet. And if you haven't, you should. So what is it? So it's a training, it's a workshop basically. And if you're looking for it, it's just carinagardnercourses.com/ I think free workshop is what it is. carinagardnercourses.com/ free workshop, okay? If you're watching this on the YouTube channel, we'll give you a link below so that you can access it as well. You do have to enroll. We do require a double opt-in because of bots. Oh my holy cow, it is so crazy that the internet has as many bots on it as possible. So you do have to, click a second time in an email to make sure we know you are a real human being. Anyway, this free training, what I do is talk to you about the 3 secrets that people are not realizing is a big piece of the designer journey. And my goal is to debunk them, help you with some paradigm shifts about what being a designer is really all about, what it actually takes. Everybody thinks it's just like this easy thing where we like do some art and throw it up on the internet and then we make lots of money. And it's just not like that. Every designer, every artist I've talked to who is really doing it, like really making multiple 6 figures in this industry, they are not doing that. It is not that easy. Most of them have set hours of work. Most of them have multiple hours of work. And it's not like this just for artists or designers. It's also like this for quilters and sewers who are the biggest brands. I remember when someone who's another designer with me at Riley Blake, said to me that she treats the sewing like a job. And it really occurred to me that it was. She has very set hours of what she does and how she does it. And that's how she built her brand. Same with designers, okay? So I know we get into this like wanting all the things, and we can have all the things, but also if you really want to be a designer and not a hobbyist, I'm really anti the hobbyist because it really just mucks up the whole design world. It makes everybody think, and that's one of the secrets we talk about, everybody think this market's oversaturated. Guys, it's not oversaturated, okay? I get really deep into it, but I promise you it's not oversaturated. Not with good designers, it's not, okay? And that's the thing, we've got to separate ourselves apart. We have to show and make our mark. We have to become great designers because there's always work, you guys, for good designers. There's always work for good designers. Designers who think smart, designers that think like creative directors, designers who think like business owners. Oh my goodness, this world needs more of us. And that's what I'm hoping I'm teaching my Design Suite members to do, okay? But anyway, okay, back to the free training. So we've got 3 paradigm shifts. It is also the only way at the moment that you can get into Design Suite. So I always get DMs like, I would love to learn more about your program. And I'm like, go to the free training because I explain everything about the program and how we do it and what we do in that, okay? And it's hard to summarize. We do so much more than what I tell you we do in the free training. But if you've been like, I just have been wondering about your program, Carina. You talk about it all the time because guess what? I'm with my members. I mean, even today, after this podcast episode, I have 2 meetings with 2 groups of my members, okay? So I'm always with my members. I love them. They're amazing. I'm always checking in with them. And it's just, I'm telling you guys about my real life. Like, this is my real life. My real life is I design and I teach design. That's my life. That's my work life, I should say. That's my work life. So, okay, so the free training, if you have been like, I really want to hear what Carina has to say in terms of paradigm shifts or secrets that in the industry I would love to debunk for you, go check out the free training. It's called How to Become a Surface Pattern how to become, I have to think about this, you guys, how to become a money-making, fulfilled surface pattern and craft designer without, and I can't remember the last little bit because it's been a little while since I've made this training, without doing all the stuff that doesn't work. It's something like that, okay? Because that is the problem. Most of the hobbyists that are doing this as for the fun of it, they're just throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping it's gonna stick. And most of the time, they don't even realize they're not even working with spaghetti. They're like working with something totally different. So it's like, guys, seriously, design requires education. It's not something we just do because we're just so artistic. Very few people I know who are doing this, making a lot of money doing this, are just artists. Usually there's some kind of training involved, so you understand production, you understand how companies work, you understand how to upload stuff, you start seeing the market differently. There's so many things that people don't realize are part of becoming a money-making designer, not a hobbyist designer, okay? So if you wanna check out that training, and by the way, this is a great time to do it because it's January, it's New Year, it's a great way to start thinking differently about what you can do with your life. If you go to carinagardnercourses.com/free workshop, you will find that free training and you can enroll right there. And I hope I get to see you. It's really fun. Hopefully it gives you some different mind shifts about the way this industry works. And I also hope you have a chance to look into Design Suite to see if it's a good fit for you. We usually do take in a lot of new members. We have to wait list our program once in a while. I know that seems so crazy, but we do. We've had to wait list it a couple of times this last year. So we do have to wait list our program. That I'll just close it down. People won't realize it or know it. I'll just close it down because we can't take any more members. It's because we have a live version. We have meetings and all that other good stuff. So, go check it out. Check out our program, what we're doing, why we're doing it. I think we're doing something that nobody else out there is doing. I think there are a lot of great DIY courses out there, do it yourself, where they have meetings with you have meetings with other designers and stuff. We don't just have meetings with other designers. You guys have meetings with me. Lots of meetings with me. Lots of meetings with Sweet Kim, who's going to be on the podcast this month, our Etsy coach. Meetings with, our guest interviews so that you get the inside scoop. We just have taken design to the level that only someone who has a Ph.D. in design would be like, yes, this is what we have to do. We can do it way, way up here. Shouldn't be way down here, just doing the bare minimum. We should be way up here. And those are the designers who are making money and succeeding. And I'm seeing it firsthand from my designers. Every time they're like, cha-ching, cha-ching, and I'm hearing everybody's shares. It's insane and so good. All right, you guys, I hope you have a chance to check out that free training or that free workshop. And I hope it opens your eyes to what is really possible. Because guess what? So much is possible as a designer. What's really possible out there for you. And if you're looking for a career change, I hope I get to see you in Design Suite. Hey, did you know that you can visit me at makeanddesign.com to learn more about this podcast and join my VIP group for weekly freebies? I can't wait to see you there.